morning. It is the 17th of October, a Tuesday morning, and looking at the markets right now, we've got the cotton market up a small amount following yesterday's big down day in cotton. The grain markets are down, and we'll look at that, exactly where they are. Looking around the board, energy up, dollar up, precious metals are down, and looking at the stock markets globally through Asia, Europe, and even early in the U.S. for futures indexes, we've got Asia and Europe mostly up. We have the U.S. right now very, very close to unchanged. As far as news overnight, there is talk that Trump is focusing on his next Fed chairman, and he's looking at one particular person that is somewhat hawkish when it comes to rates. Philosophy leans toward higher rates, actually just as I heard this morning, just north of 3%. So with that in mind, that's a definite change from what we've seen with Yellen. Of course, that's still to be decided if he's going to replace Yellen or ask her to come back or look for a new candidate, probably leaning toward a new candidate. Just looking around at some of the news, grain markets last week, of course, reacted to the crop report in a positive way. As we came in yesterday morning, the reality of better weather for harvest hit us, and still a very big crop. So the market's having to deal with that. Also cotton, big crop coming here. We're at a time of the year that traditionally, seasonally moves down from mid-October to mid-November. Whether you're looking at the 5-year seasonal, the 15-year seasonal, or the 30-year seasonal, the tendency is to trend down throughout this period approaching us right now. Just take a look at the market. Cotton up 8 at 67.61. High of 67.96, low of 67.56. Soybeans are down 6 in November, 9.85, a high of 9.90, a low of 9.84.5. December corn is down a penny and a quarter, trading at 3.49 and a quarter, a high of 3.50 and a quarter, a low of 3.49 and a quarter. December wheat down a quarter at 4.36 and a quarter, with a high of 4.37 and a half, a low of 4.35 and 3/4. Crude oil is up 24 cents a barrel. That puts November crude at 52.11. We have the dollar up 21, gold down $12 an ounce. Silver is down right now 25 cents an ounce, and the S&P down 1. Let's look around. We've got crop progress came out yesterday. We're going to concentrate on harvest and also look at conditions. We've got cotton rated 58% good to excellent. The previous week it had been 60%, some slippage there. 31% of the cotton crop is harvested. Normally this time of the year is 26%. We're slightly ahead of schedule. Soybeans are 61% good to excellent. That's unchanged from the previous week. As far as harvest goes, 49% of the crop is harvested. This time of the year, it's normal for it to be 60%, so we're behind schedule there. Corn is 65% good to excellent. That's a little better than a previous week of 64%. Harvested, you've got 28% of the crop harvested, well below the average of 47% for this time of the year. So we've still got in front of us in corn and beans more of the pressure of harvest, which could cause this market to settle back down and move back down some. Winter wheat, the winter wheat is 60% planted. This time of the year it's normally 71% planted. Let's look at the calendar quickly. We've got capacity utilization and industrial production coming out today at 8:15 Central Time. Also API energy stocks out today at 3:30. That's it. Have a good day, and we'll talk to you later. Thank you.